Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the awesome movie effect which is color match. First of all, you need to import the clip in a timeline. Then go to the adjustment. And select color match. Then select local and import the picture from your PC and click OK. In this way, the colors of the picture will be transferred to your video clip. Scroll down, you can also change the intensity of the colors and also adjust the colors according to your taste. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel.